Woo! Hey everyone, this is Adara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. Once again, guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, and show some love out there. Remember, none of this is financial advice. We're going to be talking about urgent. Is this a time to be buying? Should we be buying more crypto? Should we be buying more Bitcoin? Should we be buying more everything out there? Also, too, we're going to be talking about Pepe. It looks like Pepe just did a big dump, and there's some rumors circulating, maybe some FUDs, maybe some reality that Pepe could have a huge rug pull. So we're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about some price predictions for Dogecoin and generally what the heck is going on in the crypto markets and the broader markets that is affecting you right now. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. So what is happening right now? We're seeing that right now that the U.S. markets did a huge dump. And a lot of it has to do with the anticipation of Jeremy Powell's speech that's coming on Friday. And Jeremy Powell, he's going to be speaking at Jackson Hole speech. Okay, and the last time that he did talk about at Jackson Hole, it basically dumped the market. Some crypto is terrible. So a lot of stuff is going on in terms of that. A lot of anticipation. Big dumpage yesterday. Also, we have this having as well. I think this is a big steaming pile of what. I think this. I just don't like it. That's all I got to say about that. Also, like I said, we got the speech on Friday, and we could see a big market shift every time. Every time he talks, markets go down. Maybe the best thing is for him to keep his mouth shut out there. Also, guys, just in, looks like Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Iran, Ethiopia, UAE to join BRICS on January 1st, 2024. So not looking good for the US dollar. As I said, we got the Jackson Hole Summit out there. Wow. We see that the S&P took a huge dump yesterday. It just basically cratered like 1.35%, and that's bringing down most of the crypto. Most of crypto is down as a reaction to that. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at 26,140. We're seeing Ethereum is down as well. Everything is basically down. We're seeing that the social sentiment right now. Let me give this a minute to refresh. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, YB, share this video, even share this video with your friends. Ooh, if you're still alive, pound that chest. Feel that heart beating, guys. Get a breath and be positive. Even though things are going to be going down, urgent. I still believe this is a huge time to be buying. As we see, if there's blood in the street, if the sentiment is negative and there's lots of fear, what the whales are doing is they're buying and accumulating. Don't forget, we got about $1.1 billion worth of options that are going to expire on Friday for Bitcoin. So, wow, expect some dumpage happening on Friday. By the time we get the combination of the expiration happening, option expiration 1.9 billion, and Jackson Hole, expect a big dumpage. We could be seeing Hunter Wicks, but that is why it is urgent time to buy. Once the Jackson Hole meeting finishes, you can expect a big Hunter Wick to downside. Definitely a good time to be buying, guys. So far, we're seeing a lot of wreckage, about 52 million out there. We're seeing a lot of wreckage on Pepe right now. There's some speculation circling that Pepe is about to be pulled, rug pull city. Crypto markets are down 1.13%. We're still holding steady at about $1 trillion. We're seeing overall everything is down. BNB is bouncing back though. There was rumors that Binance was in trouble and they were selling their Bitcoin. And I showed you in previous video that wasn't the case. They were not selling. I didn't see much happening in their wallets. We're seeing XRP. Some big news coming out for XRP. We're going to be talking about that. A lot of positive catalysts. Don't sleep on XRP. Absolutely don't sleep on it. Time to accumulate, in my opinion. We're seeing Cardano down. Doge is down as well. Still holding a 6-cent support level. We're going to talk about some technicals for Doge as well. So that's what's going on. We're also seeing right now Shiba Inu is slightly up as well. And that's what's going on. So let's jump into Doge. So right now we're seeing that Doge is down almost 1%. It's at 0.63. The 6-cent level is still holding like crazy. So that's good overall. Some people are speculating that we could see a reversal from here. Let's keep an eye on that. If we do see that, with the Jackson Hole, the expirations happening, if Bitcoin does crater, we will see Dogecoin definitely take a tumble to the downside. That's just what it is, guys. We're seeing that the social mentions in the last 24 hours are still up. However, social engagements are kind of cooling down. Hence we're seeing a price cool down as well. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doge. Like I said, we got this nasty bear flag here. It is terrible. It is nasty. Our next major support level for Doge is 6 cents. If we break down below that, we're definitely going to go down to 5 cents. But I've got a buy order here at 5 cents just in case. I think that today we could get a hunter wick that could push Bitcoin down a couple $1,000s an instant and recover back. So keep an eye out for that. In terms of what's going on in terms of market cap and charts, we're seeing that right now market cap is still 8.86 billion, down again. The volumes are super light. The volumes are really light out there. That's not good, guys. Absolutely not good. So this is what's happening. The Dogecoin price forecast indicates the rise of Dogecoin from its lowest level. I believe and as believe it is preparing for a bigger jump. So I think we're going to get a nice jump back up above the EMA ribbon soon. Dogecoin price forecast suggests that a recovery phase of Doge crypto towards a primary resistance of 0.754. So I think that we're going to see Dogecoin pump. I think over the span of a week, Dogecoin's value has dropped about almost 5%. And within a month, it's experienced almost a 13.83% dump. Technical indicators suggest that sustainability issues of Doge crypto at the lower end. But I think we're going to get a reversal. We may get some downside. Volatility as Bitcoin does a dump, depending. I mean, we could get some good news coming out of Jackson Hole from Powell, and that could send things up. But let's plan for the worst. Let's expect the worst. Let's expect that Dogecoin is going to drop below 6 cents. Definitely, I'm going to be putting a buy order in at around 5 cents. They're not financial advice. Absolutely not financial advice. Remember, there was some scare about Binance selling all of its Bitcoin. Well, that ain't true because it's basically unchanged. Their positions are USD, USTD 31%, Bitcoin 27%, BNB 4.83%, and others. So nothing's real happening. A lot of that was fun. So Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin just kind of found its new support level around about this area here, around about 26,000 seems to be a nice support level. But do expect, if we get some negative news, stop repeating myself, but you guys need to understand this. If we get some negative news, we've got the expirations happening, we could see Bitcoin definitely go down to 25K, so watch out for that out there. August so far has been a big, giant Debbie Downer, poo-poo schmanner out of there. But September should be fine and dandy. Ethereum also is breaking down. Same bear flag pattern, pretty boring. We could expect continuation and going down to 1,500 for that. So guys, keep in mind, Bitcoin options data points to an interesting outcome after this week's 1.9 billion options expiration. So that's happening, guys. So like I said, we could be expecting if the Jackson Hole is bad, market makers will use this and Jackson Hole, combine it, create hunter wicks, and it will drive the price of Bitcoin down below to about 25,000. So that's going to happen. It will happen. Good news is the mining difficulty for Bitcoin just hit an all-time high. So the network is still strong, and typically, if the network, the hash rates are high, typically this will indicate recovery for Bitcoin is coming, guys. So just a matter of time. Here we go again. Also, too, we're seeing Bitcoin future all-time high could occur in May 2025. So according to Trader Tardigram, we could see that we're seeing that the RSI just flashed, Scholastic RSI just flashed a bearish cross here, and and it's not unlike 2016, 2019 when we had pretty much the same thing. For BTC, it took 23 months from the 2016 cross to reach all-time high. 19 months in 2019, and we've seen 21 months for the next cycle. Doesn't seem to be far-fetched. So we could be seeing that we can see all-time high in May. So that's what he's predicting, all-time high in May. We're also seeing that this is coming in as well from Trader Tardigram. We're seeing that the 12-hour indicator, we see this MACD crossover here. We're seeing that we've got, it's bullish. MACD histogram turns green here. and BTC broke recent range high. This indicates a shift in the momentum from bearish to bullish. So hopefully he's right that on the 12-hour we could see that we are flipping bullish and we're going to get out of this wash. But like I said, we got the expirations. We got Jeremy Powell. He could spook the market and send things down. Don't forget, guys, that Bitcoin is still under the condition of 20 to 50-day simple moving average bullish crossover on a weekly chart. This is a macro time frame which plays a significant role in the analysis of Bitcoin momentum. Be long-term, be macro, be patient. So what this is really telling us is that in previous cycles, we had the same bullish crossover here, then we had a nice rise, parabolic rise. Yeah, we're going to see some chop, and we're going to see some chop now. Expect it to follow the same kind of pattern upwards. In the short time frame, we're going to see some volatility, guys. So that's what that's all about. So XRP. There's some really good news coming out for XRP. We're seeing Justin Robinhood plans to offer XRP trading by the end of 2023. Positive news. Looks like Goldman Sachs official has stated, we welcome Ripple to the Bank of International Settlements. Look forward to expanding. So that is good news. We're also seeing that Breaking Western Union begins trials of XRP for global payment services. So a lot of positive news for XRP. Once again, do not sleep on XRP, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Guys, don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a NANO Leger. That is so important. Guys and gals, you definitely want to do that. Still, there's a lot of turbulence, a lot of chop when it comes to centralized exchanges. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Discord. Get all the update. So what's going on with PEP? PEP is down like 15%. Right now, and Pepe plunges 50% as a strange token movement sparks fears of rug pull. So the price of PEP has plummeted 15% after developers sent nearly 4% of the meme coin's total supply to exchanges without warning. So looks like the developers are sending their coins to exchanges to sell, guys. So watch out for that. If you're holding a ton of PEP, be careful. Be absolutely careful out there. What's going on with Shiba Inu? Pretty much the same thing. It's above 8. We're still well below our upward trending resistance. Once again, we're just waiting for confirmation what's going to happen at the Jackson Hole and the options expiration, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Quick update. This is what's going on. That's what's happening. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Let's do it. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, be the merch, and gear up with the OG gear, guys. I would appreciate it. And I think right now we have what do we got in terms of followers? We got about 8,388 followers, guys. So that's fantastical. Let's see if we can get this up to 10,000. I would appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, lick the likes, guys. Be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.